I've got this antique street sign here. It's really cool, but it's a little too roached out. And it's at the point where it's right at the top of that mountain, where if I let it get any more roached out, it's gonna get ruined. As much as I hate to do it, I like to leave stuff kind of rat rot and vintage and stuff. Gotta redo it, or it's just gonna wither away. What is up, guys, and welcome back. Got another video here today. I love antiques. I've got a lot of antiques, but I got one. Well, I've had a couple that I let get a little too antique, and they kind of roached out, and then they're gone. So I've got one on the verge. I love it too. Check this out. I got it off. As you can see, this thing is like super top-notch quality, but on the other side, it doesn't look as good. It's pretty bad, but it's still real structurally sound. I actually got this on an online auction. This is from Missouri. So if you're from Missouri and you know East Park and First Street, and it means something to you, leave a comment or let me know something about it. They had East Park and First through 4th Street. I figured I'd put a bid on it and I wouldn't get it. I put a pretty low bid, but nobody else looked at it and I won, and I kind of felt bad. So I want to do it justice and bring it back to life. Who knows what the heck has happened at East Park and First Street. First step, sandblast it. Yeah! Is there anything more manly than sandblasting? You kidding me? Sandblasting setup. We've got our air compressor, which feeds a 90 PSI air line into a siphon-fed canister full of media and a screwdriver that shouldn't be in there. Goes into a gun fed by the air, which siphons out the blasting grit. That's going to blast all this off back to factory finish so I can refinish it, hopefully. Excited about how it blasted up. I mean, I got all the rust off. It's still got a little bit of color, but that oxidation is off there. It's down to the metal. These whatever this is made out of, all these parts, man, they came out nice. Now I'm going to take this whole assembly apart. To do that, there's a 3/4 nut on the bottom. Say we give the old brand new DeWalt Impact a little try. That thing's about 600 degrees right now. Man. Now I can unscrew these. I love antiques. Things that can just tell a story. They're so much cooler. They're built so much nicer. The hardware is better. The materials are better. Base coat. Oil based. Only way to go. I like to clean off my lid with my brush. I'd like to spray this. I've done automotive painting before. It's just when I looked into the price, yeah, there's no way. Wasn't gonna pay that much for this. It's not good enough. This is my great grandpa's. This thing will rip your nuts off. Watch this. dent. Take that out. There we go. Masking for days. Hour and a half down, there's one of them. 2 down, 2 to go. With the paint job, I don't want it to look too perfect. I hate those, like, you know, like the fake petroleum signs and the fake old soda signs, and it's so perfect and it looks so cheesy and chintzy. I don't want that. So I got the base coat of green down, and I want the white kind of look aged. So I did a little research. I looked around at different ways to age paint. I think the one I'm going to go with, they recommend that you mask everything how you want it, and then you wait for the paint to just almost like 85% dry, and then pull the masking before it's completely dry. So it kind of tears off that perfect edge and makes the paint job look a little weathered and stuff. From the results I saw from that, I think that's going to make this look perfect. Finished product, there it is, check it out. Man, it turned out perfect. I don't know if you can see this, but like, see how I was talking about pulling that masking tape right before it dried, and it's got that little bit of a, like that roughness there. And then see how like I just did one coat on all this stuff, and you can see how it's not perfect. This thing's like, I mean, research it. It's however many years old. I didn't want it to look perfect. It just turned out. I love it. I love it. Instead of that rusted mess. Now let's go put it back together. Oh yeah. Check it out. Show you one of those. There's that one. Insert that. That there. Here. I don't even think I'm gonna touch it up. It's freaking sick. I don't care, man. That's my style. That's freaking sick. Love it. Freaking love it. Let me give you an up close look. Look at this metal, how it turned out. Sandblasting. Look at this. It's sorry, it's throwing the camera for a loop here. It doesn't know what to do. But it just turned out so nice. It's pretty bad, but it's still. Check out what my parents gave me. It'll look perfect right underneath that sign. Boop. An old 50s, 60s no parking sign. We'll put it right on the pole underneath of it. Heck yeah. That is all I have for today. Thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Remember to subscribe because you get notifications to my future videos. And also there's over 100 posted there already on my channel. Check them out, check them out. This over here, this guy. Woo. Yeah. Oh man, I take out some anger on this thing. Woo! I take out some anger on this bad boy. Woo! Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.